In this video, I will show you how to make icons bigger or smaller on Windows 11. So right click anywhere, view, and click on show desktop icons. Now to make bigger, right click anywhere, view, and select large icons. To make smaller, select small icons. And this size is medium. And also guys, you can make bigger or smaller. Press Ctrl and move scroller down or up. If you want to make bigger, so move cursor to upside, and to make smaller, press and hold Ctrl and move cursor of mouse to downside like this. So thanks for watching guys. There's two ways you can make icons bigger or smaller on Windows 11.